What's up, YouTube? I hope you've been having a beautiful day today. Welcome yet again to another vlog from from theeasyvisualz, the music video director straight out of Cape Town. So I just got blessed with this big baby. Oh, this is a big baby. So this is actually a Sigma 170 to 500 millimeter f5 6.3 Apple DG. This is actually a very old lens. For some of you who know sport photography and wildlife photography. But as a music video director, sometimes we get to look for some of these cinematic lenses in a way, or lenses that can give us a little bit of an extra touch. So I want to try to see how this is going to look if I'm going to throw it into one of my music video shots and see if it's still worth it in 2025. So I'm going to attach some test footage that I'm going to do, and we're going to see how it's going to look. So yeah guys, let's do this. That was a very heavy experience. This baby is heavy. It's literally like I'm working out on my biceps. But what do I think? I think I enjoyed using this lens. I'm definitely going to throw it into some of my music videos that I'm going to be shooting. I don't know about you, but yeah, as you can see from the test footage, tell me what you think, what your thoughts are. And if you haven't yet, please do like, share, comment, tell a friend to tell a friend, hit that subscribe button and that bell notification icon so that you can keep on seeing the music videos that I'll be dropping, tutorials, and a whole lot of fun. Much love, keep safe and be blessed.